In early 2026, a team of digital archaeologists uncovered ancient workplace tools that probably should have stayed buried. Beneath layers of dust and inefficiency, a system of spreadsheets, post-its, and headaches.
We believe this primitive culture attempted to manage multiple work streams manually.
Despite their best efforts, the tools they used lacked integration, automation, visibility, and hope.
What is fascinating is that some people still use these tools today to manage their projects and portfolios. The more spreadsheets you have, the more work multiplies. It is just so inefficient, especially in today's business environment.
Fortunately, we have moved past spreadsheets. Clarity by Rego is for anyone who wants to manage their projects with efficiency, visibility, and confidence. If you want to move past spreadsheets and modernize your project management experience, contact the experts at Rego today.